Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you exactly how to add product categories in Shopify. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. First of all, you need to open up your Shopify official account. Now that we're here, let's focus on creating categories for our products. Even if you don't have an online store set up yet, don't worry. Follow along as we add categories to our products. Then navigate to the products section. If you don't have any products listed, you can use the ones available in your Shopify inventory. For instance, let's say I have a demo t-shirt. Now, let's add another product, such as shoes. Click on the products, and then click to add your other product here. After that, enter the title of your product, and click to save it. Once you have your products listed, click on a product. Then, look for the product category option. Choose a category, like clothing, and specify the product type, for example, t-shirt. Now add your vendor name, and if you wish, assign it to a collection, like t-shirts. Then repeat the process for another product. This time, choose a different category, such as accessories, and specify the product type, like shoes. Again, assign it to a collection, maybe the home page. Then feel free to manage your collections by going back to the product section and scrolling down to find the collections option. From here, you can create new collections and customize them as needed. Enter the title of your collection and save it. And there you have it. If you want to further customize your website, go to Sales Channel, then Online Store, and finally Themes. This is where you can tweak your website's appearance. Click the link given in the description box to create your account. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.